Today, we will resolve the problem Dishwasher FF error. The FF error pertains to water filling problems. Let's resolve this problem stepwise. Step 1. Check for external problems. Check for water availability. Overhead tank. Tap is in off condition. Inlet pipe is twisted or bent. Inlet valve filter blockage. Low water pressure. If any deviation is observed, fix the issue and advise the customer to clean the filter regularly. If no deviation is observed, follow the next step. Step 2. Check for loose connections. Remove the bottom cover of the dishwasher and check all connections related to the solenoid valve. If connections are loose, tighten and refix the connection. If connections are proper, follow the next step. Step 3. Check the solenoid valve. Set the multimeter on resistance value of 20 kilo ohms. Connect the multimeter probes to both terminals of the solenoid valve. Resistance value should be between 3.5 kilo ohms to 5 kilo ohms. If resistance is not in range, it means the solenoid valve is faulty. Replace the solenoid valve. If resistance is in range, it means the solenoid valve is okay. Follow the next step. Step 4. Check the power supply. Set the multimeter on 400 to 600 volts AC. Connect the multimeter probes to both terminals of the solenoid valve. The multimeter should show voltage between 220 to 240 volts. If multimeter shows rated supply, that means wires and PCB are okay. Replace the solenoid valve. If there is no power supply, follow the next step. Step 5. Remove the dishwasher from the main supply. Check the wiring harness and the PCB. Set the multimeter on continuity. Check the continuity of wire between the PCB and the solenoid valve. The multimeter should show continuity. If the multimeter does not show continuity, it means the wire harness is damaged. Change the wire harness. If continuity is there, change the PCB. Please note, check the serial number of the dishwasher before replacing the PCB. After following the above steps, we hope that the problem of FF